A movie in the summer is much merrier than an autumn film. The M sound is made by pressing your lips together, M, and vibrating your throat. You'll feel vibration right around here. M, movie. Let's take a look at this sound in different positions, paying special attention to the final position to make sure that we hold the M sound long enough. Many, more, merry, men, mouse, math doesn't muster much mercy. Math doesn't muster much mercy. Hammer, management, remark. Management remarked they'll marry next summer. Management remarked they'll marry next summer. Bottom, ham, film, cream, time. A film of cream was on the bottom of the ham. A film of cream was on the bottom of the ham. Let's now look at our practice sentences. I'll say the whole sentence, break it into smaller parts, and repeat. First sentence. A movie in the summer is much merrier than an autumn film. Autumn film. Much merrier. A movie in the summer. A movie in the summer is much merrier than an autumn film. Second sentence. My mother remarked she has more ham in ice cream. Ice cream. More ham in ice cream. My mother remarked. My mother remarked she has more ham in ice cream. Third sentence. The bottom of the mug must seem dim. Seem dim. The bottom of the mug. The bottom of the mug must seem dim. Last sentence. Many monkeys make music with a drum. Many monkeys make music. Many monkeys make music with a drum. That concludes our time today on the M sound. For more information on this and other sounds in American English pronunciation, please be sure to visit our website at fluentamerican.com. My name is Jeff. Thank you for your time today. We'll see you in our next video. Take care.